So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, pag-usapan natin mga PBA trade rumors kabola. Kung saan mga iba't iba pong pinag-uusapan ngayon ng mga trade rumors kabola. And of course, we will talk around the league kabola, mga happenings pa po. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button kabola. Let's start po with this kabola. Ano po? Sabi nitong si Ronald Tubid, wala sa height yan. Sabi niya kabola, he try to defend kabola yung kanya pong roster because of the injury po of Kemal Carino kabola. Currently, nasa 6'6 lang po yung pinakamatanggat nilang player. And of course, at this point in the PBA kabola, 6'6 medyo hindi na po yung katanggaran sa center position. Nasa around, ang maganda ng height ngayon sa center is nasa 6'8 kabola. So talagang, of course, ganun na, hirap i-depensa ng therapy mga kabola, ano po? Pero at the end of the day, alam naman natin kung saan sila papunta with their current roster kabola. Of course, Jeyuchu, hintayin pa po nila yan kabola. Kemal Carino, that is of course injured po ngayon kabola. Talagang malaki po dapat pa po nila hintayin. And then of course, Japet Aguilar kabola pa undergo surgery for bad fingers kabola. Speaking of a giant, so ang Hinebra kabola, hanapin pala muna kabola. Pwede pong mag-fill up nitong kawalan po nitong si Japet Aguilar. Buti na lang kabola, of course, they signed Norbert Torres. Will surely be the one to try to fill up. So, mukhang makakuha po ng consistent minutes kabola si Norbert Torres. Mga big minutes kabola in the early start of the Philippine Cup. So, papakita niya kabola kung ano ba talaga yung kakayahan niya using po the system of Coach Tim Cone kabola. Target daw ng NLEX kabola will be a semis run kabola. Of course, NLEX Road Warriors kabola led by Robert Bolick kabola. They will try to again have a good run kabola. Pero alam naman natin, ito pong NLEX Road Warriors kabola. Robert Bolick is enough. He needs more help kabola. So titignan natin, sina Policarpio kabola will they continue to blossom kabola to help him. Ito pong si Robert Bolick. And sa MPBL naman kabola, in a way, nakakadismaya kabola to see teams forfeit their games kabola. Diba? This is supposedly a professional league, pero for teams to forfeit games, parang nakakawalan ng saysay kabola. Diba? And it, again, lowered their level. Hindi po rin parang sabihin, kasi si Torres tumitira din po from beyond dark. Pero ito kasi si Torres kabola, in a way, he relies more on his strength, while itong si Rosario, he relies more on his athleticism kabola. Then ito na nga kabola, NLEX kabola, nilagay daw po sa trade block itong kanila pong guardia na si Enoch Valdez. Enoch Valdez is an athletic wing guard kabola. Is he deserving kabola of playing in another team, of being traded kabola, or getting more minutes in another team? I think so. The athleticism is there. Alam naman natin kabola, madami na pong athletic guards kabola. Ang maganda po ang naging career dito sa PBA. And yun din siguro ang gusto rin pong marating ng isang Enoch Valdez. So he could be the one pushing for this trade. Now, ang mas malaking rumor kabola na nag-trending ngayon is that ito daw Hinebra kabola, interesado daw na makuha isang Calvin Abueva kabola, di ba? And is that logical that they will try to trade for Abueva? For me, kind of yes, in a way, to parang siguro i-replace yung role ni Malonzo. They're looking for that. Kasi added naman na big man in Torres kabola. Pero overall, is it a big need? I do not think so kabola. Pero again, it will be a big impact in their image, knowing that Hinebra is a never-say-die team, and there's a good argument Abueva embodies that the most next to Thompson. Kamakabal sa palagay mo, dapat bang kunin Hinebra? Ito pong si Abueva. Kami na po sa baba.